Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are solving medium of two sorted arrays problem. So it's one of the hardest classic interview questions and requires an O log m plus n solution. Let's break it down and we will see step by step. Okay, so you are given two sorted arrays. So as you can see, we are having two sorted arrays and we have to find the median of these arrays. Okay, now you might think as a simpler approach like merge both arrays and then compute the median, but that takes o m plus n time. The complexity will be increased. uh, the problem demands is o log m plus n, which means we need to do a binary search. Okay, then what's the trick? The trick is we want to partition both the arrays into left half and the right half, okay, such that every element in the left half is less than or equal to every element in the right half. Once partition is done, so then what we will do, if the total length is odd, then we will return the middle element as the median. So median is minimum of the right side, and if the total length is even, then we will do a average of maximum of left side and the minimum of right side and divide it by 2. Okay, so as you can see in this algorithm, uh, we are taking both of the arrays in A and B. Okay, and why this line? So we always choose the smaller array for the binary search. Okay, and then we are initializing m plus n. Okay, and these are some boundaries we define. We will come into when we execute the code and see stepwise. uh, get the values around the so first we will do the partition index I for a and compute j. J is half minus I. Okay, and it's for b. Get the values around the partitions. Okay, and these are the values around the partitions. Then we will check if a of left is less than or equal to b of right and b of left is less than equal to a of right. It means uh, it's a correct partition and we will compute the median, or else we will move the binary search boundaries. Yeah, it means we will adjust our boundary or the binary search. Okay, enough of talking, let's go ahead and run this code stepwise. Let me start the debugging. Yeah, I will go inside the code. Yeah. So here we are initializing num1 and num2 and we are giving the values in a and b. So in Python we call by reference, so I don't want to change or do anything with this num1 num2. So we are we are making a copy here in a and b, and we always want to do binary search on the smallest array. So uh, that's why we are checking the length here. So in our current example, the smallest one is a and we are good. So we will go directly and we will take the length in m and n. Total will be 4 plus 3, that will give us 7, and half will be a 3. Okay, so let's calculate the I and j. As I told earlier, I will be low plus high divided by 2, so that will gives us a 1. J equal to half minus 1, that will give us a 2. Okay, now we are defining the boundaries. Okay, and now we will check the condition. Okay, if the condition meets, it means our partition is correct and we will return the median. Let's check. A of left is less than equal to b of right. A of left is less than equal to b of right. Yes, correct. And b of left is less than equal to a of right. B of left is less than equal to a of right. No, this condition doesn't mean. It means we have to adjust the boundary. So if a of left is greater than b of right. Okay, so a of left is 1 and b of the right is 6. So no, it's doesn't satisfy. We will go to the else part and we will increase our low by 1. Okay, so let's again do the calculation. So now our I becomes 2 and j becomes 1. Recalculate the a left, the boundaries basically, and now our a left is 3 and b right is 4. So 3 is less than equal to 4, and b left is 2 and a right is 9. Okay, so the condition meets here, and the length of our array is odd, so we are satisfying this if total divided by 2. So we will just return the fourth element from here, and that is 1 2 3 4. 4 will be returned as output. Okay, so if you see, if I run this code, 4 will get printed. So this was all about today's video, and it's a clean O log m plus n solution for the median of two sorted arrays. The key takeaway: always think about the partitioning instead of merging. Okay, I will be putting all of my codes to my GitHub repo, that is Ekdant AI LeetCode Daily. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next problem. Thank you. Bye bye.